Linking, what the link here? Link. Link there. A link.
Yeah, because we did like... Welcome back sa ating channel. So, ngayon sa apartment ng aking best friend and itutour niya tayo sa bahay niya, guys. So, if you wanna see yung mansion niya, guys, please keep on watching. Welcome! Ang aking anak ay nandun. Dami briefing kay Maya.
Mommy's here.
Hi, honey. Yes, my love. Paris is loving it here. So this is my best friend Ron. It's so dark in here, so let's move. But yeah, this is my best friend Ron. Say hi. Say hi, T.
Hi.
Hi, everyone. Oh, napis ko na siya.
Wait, what's the family?
Huh?
What's the family called?
Mom and Paris in Melbourne. Yeah.
That's very wow. Hi, Mom and Paris in Melbourne. Welcome to my apartment.
Yes, there you go. So, yan, bongga yan ang ating bestie. So, we'll start dito sa lunchroom nila, guys. And I'm telling you, I really love their apartment, guys. It's crazy. Anyways, we're gonna show it to you. So, where are we gonna start?
So, starting, to cover. This is my guilty. Ito yung guilty pleasure ko. Anything that you wanna make me happy is this.
What's in there?
Is this.
Oh my god.
This is what makes me happy. So,
what, glasses?
That.
Candles. Oh my god.
Yes, I've got like there's more.
Oh my god, it smells so good in here.
This is what makes me happy. So I've got
Mommy,
yes. Hala, Tin. Nakita niya, best.
Do you want?
Hala, nakita.
Do you want?
Nilagay mo kasi dyan. Oh, di ba? Oh, happy na siya. Oh, pwede na tayong mag-continue.
Yeah, yay! Just do you think? So, itong, nakapagpaligay.
Yes, kailangan natin magsalita ng Tagalog.
Nakapagpaligay ako. So, yung, mga kandila.
Candles, guys.
All Saints Day.
Every day is All Saints Day.
November, malapit ang November. So yeah, just a candle and
lovely
other stuff.
May polite-light ko silang nalalaman. Yes, honey.
We have a little mini box.
Tingnan nyo, guys.
We'll get
Drinks.
like a bar fridge or something.
Wow, ang dami nilang drinks. Hi, may mirror pa siya. Oh, di ba?
Get it.
Wait, anak, careful. Alin na. Do you want to open that one, anak? Yes, please. Tito, open it, Tito. Since you gave it to her, you have to open it for her. Ayan, may intermission number tayo dito. Kailangan naman i-open ang chocolate.
Easter, Mama. Happy Easter. When was the Easter?
April. Oh, we haven't seen each other April, so that's your gift for Paris. Egg. Yummy, na?
Love it, man.
Yay.
Bunny.
What do you say to... What do you say to Tito Ron? Thank you? Ayan, nakita na po na siyang lolo, Chika na po yung lolo ka ng bata. Chocolate.
It's just the linen.
Okay, so what's on this side?
Just the linen, our linen, like for daily, everyday bag. A fridge.
That's the
And then
fridge
a
in
pantry.
there. Oh, pantry. Favorite. Is it Mada?
Yes.
Yes, you can have that.
And this is our kitchen.
Oh, lovely, guys. Have a look at this kitchen, though. Oh my god, I'm so envious.
We got chicken nuggets here. So I don't know, just this there.
Yan. Yeah, have a look. It's my bag here. Ayan.
So we got all plates here. Do you really want to see?
Yeah,
Plates.
have a look. Plates.
Here's the cards.
Yeah, doorbell.
Okay. And I don't know, just whatever. Oh, oh my god. This is
What's that?
A Japanese rice cooker.
Japanese rice cooker.
Yeah, so my cousin gave me, Sheila, she gave me as a housewarming. You can make yung lugaw
From that?
or yung lugaw. Apparently you can make yung yogurt now, sabi.
Yogurt from that?
Yeah, so I've never tried. Just a comment.
But tell me about this though. Have a look at this rose gold.
Pwede siyang pwede siyang ang tawag doon? So itong pindati.
Prenda ipon. Prenda, tagal mo prenda. Pwede siyang ma-prenda. Sangla.
Sangla.
Pwede siyang
sangla. Kasi alam mo na.
Rose gold.
Rose gold.
We have no rice. Just break it.
Pwede siyang prinda, pwede siyang sangla. Sangla,
Yeah.
And I got this massive orchid for my birthday.
Oh my god, love that.
Ganda gave me.
Oh, Gav gave that to you?
Yeah.
It's so
For my
sweet.
birthday. Instead of
So nice.
flower.
Tell me about that mirror though.
Oh, this mirror. Where's this mirror from?
Glass Italia.
Oh, that's my. This mirror from Glass Italia.
What? Glass Italia?
Glass Italia. Yeah.
Ano daw?
Paradox.
Paradox.
Mahirap siyang. Dinala siya namin sa Sydney. Remember yung Sydney tour?
Yeah.
So, dinala siya namin-
Oh yeah, that's right. So if you haven't watched,
If you ever watch, you can put the link here. Link. Link. Link there. A link.
yeah, because we did like the apartment
The
tour when
Sydney tour, yeah.
they used to live
Link,
in
yeah.
Sydney. Yeah, and now they're in Melbourne. So.
Ewan ko kung saan mo lalagay yung link, so just link.
Oh my god, so funny.
Bring up the link.
What these? We haven't done this part yet.
These are mine,
Thank you. I love their couch.
Noon, mas puti siya, like it's white. Tapos, pininturahan namin nung Friday. So,
Yeah.
hindi siya gano'n siya katapos. But, I think we're gonna call the professional. Kasi hindi mo siya alam yung mga edges.
Kailangan na ng tulong.
Tulong. So, we buy, so ano na namin, tawag ito, so, ano namin na, hindi kami mga DIY na tao.
Na-prove na sa sarili.
Hindi kami mga DIY yung ganyan. So, we're gonna need help. So, you want to get the professional help. Yeah, just TV.
Obviously, we've got Peppa Pig on because Paris is here.
So, may anak kami. We got Peppa Pig 24/7.
Yeah.
From Diesel.
Then you guys know. So, ano today?
Yeah, Gavin went to Mexico.
And this is so cool. The center table.
This is my favorite candle. So my friend, yung kaibigan ko sa Singapore. Singapore? Yung kaibigan ko sa Singapore, she gave me this for housewarming. It's the diptyque. Bias? Can't say
Yeah.
it.
Social ba sa mga kandila? Uy! Yung mga kandila matagpiso sa cemetery.
So yeah. So, tapos,
I really love this couch. Oh, Mike loves this couch.
so that
Is this a fabric?
Yeah, it's fabric. So, a couch called Ben? Ben?
Ben.
Huh?
Ben.
Ben by?
Ben Italia.
Oh, Ben would be. I think Vice Ganda got one of these.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think Vice Ganda. I think, nakita ko yung ano na yan sa
IG?
IG niya. I think meron siya ganito.
Yeah, it's nice.
But sa kanya, like, may extra, merong extra. I think Vice Ganda got one of these. But top level,
I'm not.
level E.
Shalom. And this one guys, so under the island. Ano tawag dito, ti?
Bench. Yeah.
Bench, ayan.
And it's in hand.
Merong mirror siya guys, pero hindi siya
Conductor channel.
pero hindi siya mirror na clear talaga, parang ano lang, char lang siya na mirror,
Yeah.
na. And then meron silang dalawang bar stool dyan. And then, look at this
So get this table.
table. What's this? Is this for candles, T?
Oh yeah, this is custom boda. So you put your candle, yung mga kandila dyan. Para na dinner drama.
Dinner, ano, churba. Mamaya na natin tingnan yung dyan, guys. O, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya.
Yun yung mga drama yung mga dinner.
Mag-ano muna tayo dito, ayan. So, what's this?
So that's just a speaker.
Speaker. Ah.
So you're yeah.
Next one is...
So we had this guest bathroom. It's just an everyday bathroom. This is the second bathroom. You got the shower. You got the toiletries.
Parang hotel talaga dito, guys.
And got the
Ayan, the mirror. Habulong! Isa tawag, ano, tingin ng floating sink. Pakita ang towel nga. Bongko.
Ito mo na voice.
Kenzo.
na.
Bongga talaga ang kanilang ano dito. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh. Have a look. Yung mga ano dito is rose gold still.
Pag wala na kaming pambayad sa bahay, ipiprint din.
My friend.
This is a shower.
Have a look at the shower, guys. Very ignorant lang talaga ako. Tingnan niyo yung shower. Ano din siya? Tawag ito? Rose gold. Hala, ang ganda dito, guys. Oh, parang hotel. I could live here, actually. Basta kailangan nyo ng ano ba? Maid.
So ito yung laundry namin.
Ah, meron pala siyang ganyan. Hindi ko nakita kanina.
Just the laundry. And it's for our cats kasi may dalawang pussy kami. May dalawang pussy.
Meron silang dalawang cat. Guys, that's what we're trying to say. Patawarin nyo na.
Ito yung second bedroom, tapos consultation room.
Doctor ka, bes?
Pathology, psychiatrist na. It's just another bedroom. Yeah. So,
Ayan. So where are we gonna start here? What's this? What's this chair? Obviously.
This is Japan sculpture. Para siyang Valentino Rossi.
Yeah. Wow.
This is a Moy P. Huwag na buksan yan, girl.
Tignan na. Hi! Welcome back to our channel. Ayan, nandito kami, guys.
Ang tawag doon, si Matet lalabas.
Huwag i-open.
Okay, si Matet lalabas. Ano yung pelikula ng Matet?
What?
Something Chanak or something, yeah.
I don't know.
Matet lalabas siya. So just
Here. What's this one?
Oh, I don't know. It's a bone. Where's the bone from?
Ako na, nasigap ka na yan. Yun na.
Oh, this is Kate Spade.
Wow. Where did you get it from?
David Jones, I think.
Bongo. What's this? Is this like a candle holder again? Yeah.
Oh, Miniso.
It smells so
It's
good.
Miniso, I love it.
Then, is this a real orchid?
Yes, so it's real. Okay, so we got it
Oh.
in Kohl's.
Really?
Yeah, we got it for $30.
And here's the kuan.
Chair. That's Joey's.
That's my gift for Ron.
Allegedly. And this is just like if you wanna like just have a relax, patients will come here. Yung mga pasyente ko, pag dito.
It's very nice.
Pakakala gina.
Pink.
And we got this from Bed Bath & Beyond.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Cheap one. We got it on sale. It was like some 300. We got it for $60. I'm like,
Really?
Yeah. Cheap.
Wow. And guys, have a look at the view here though. So this is Melbourne City on that side. That side. Hindi pa makita. And that is the Yarra River. Ayan. And
Cafe
then-
latte.
Yeah, I know. Nagbaha sa bes. Bakit ang kuan?
After habagat. Yeah, after bagyo habagat.
Ayan, oh.
Humahabagat.
Ang ganda ng apartment nila guys kasi very, nasa corner talaga ba? Oh, tingnan nyo guys, oh.
The thing about it is like, wala siyang maano, like yung view forever. Kasi walang building na.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, they can't build a building sa just tubig. Unless they're gonna do like an overpass or something. Ayan, oh, very nice. No? So, ayan guys, tapos na tayo sa room na to. Oh, ano na. I really love their place, guys, no? Super. So, ngayon, i-ano na natin. I-check na natin yung main bedroom nila. Pero ang gandang mag-ano dito, guys, tingnan nyo yung mag-OOTD and mag-film. Very nice yung lighting dito kasi natural lighting from, ayan, oh, glass window.
On Winter Garden.
Winter Garden?
Yeah, that's what we call it.
Meron silang space dito, guys. Ayan. So, di ba dyan yung lunch room? Ayan. So, they have a cute little space here na meron silang massive cactus.
Yeah. So, paano niya Frank?
Frank the cactus.
Na may maliit na ano.
Hala, the lighting is getting dark.
The big tree.
Big tree, that's right, honey. It's the big tree. Another thing, sagbut is real.
Just a succulent.
What's that now?
It's a tree.
What's that now?
It's a tree, big one.
A big
It's a tree, big one. Yes, that's right. What's the piece that just
I don't know.
chair for?
I think Gavin needs to help me.
It's a Zonota.
It's a Zonota chair. Zonota.
Asabi? Hello, bongga. Iba rin.
Very cute one.
And we got like the fish for the cat. Actually, that, guys, yung fish ay nag-move siya, natatakot si Parehas. Huwag na lang. Hindi na lang. Ano yun, T?
Oh, this is a coat. You want coat?
Coat hanger.
Yeah.
This is the main bedroom, guys.
Where the magic happens.
There's no magic in that video.
Ayan. So, let's start with, ayan guys. So, that's their bed.
Good thing.
And, we're gonna show you. Bongga tatong bed nila, guys. You know this one, guys? Yung kanilang mga ganito is from Kenzo. Mahal-mahal kaya, guys. Ito lang ang cover. Oh my God. Sa amin siguro ito, bed na, whole bed na sa amin.
Jump. Yeah, just like fun.
Yeah, so this is their bed. Ito is the workstation.
Hindi tapos what?
Ayan. So, that's the one. May mga dangling something going on sila doon. Ayan, naglalaro. What is that? Ding! May nakikita akong Versace, guys, oh. Versace on the floor. Anak, careful, anak. Uy! Ayan.
Yeah, just a bed.
And then, meron silang another, dito.
And that's Gavin.
Wardrobe. Ayan. So, that's Gavin's, and this is the Chiron. Ayan. Where's the lighting? Uy! Organized lagi ka, bes.
What is this? Oh,
No, pwede organize yung mga mupo na.
It's my clothes, my jumper.
Yeah. Lovely. Be? Mabongga! Mga Kenzo, mga jumper. You're really into Kenzo, no?
Yeah, dude.
I'll get you Kenzo next time instead of Kuan. Gucci, your box.
It's just the belts.
The cat! Ala, bongga! Alam ng Versace and Gucci and the Cartier.
Just
Di
like
siya,
the boards.
Cartier.
Yeah, no.
Magpatakan sa mong mga kanta belt. Oh,
This is
LV
like-
belt, Salvatore Ferragamo belt. Bongga, gina akong best friend, oy.
Just what?
Guys, nahihiya naman ako dito, guys.
Say hello to Kitty.
Ayan, guys. Oh, hi! Dito tayo ngayon sa kay
Oh,
Gaano.
no, you can't. Just whatever. You can't sit down until you can see this.
Ayan. So, ito yung wardrobe din ni Gav. And then, dito galing sa bed, guys, na view, meron silang, ayan pala yung mga jacket nila. Ongga. Be, pakita ako, be. Kenzo gyapon. Best. What's with the Kenzo? Did Kenzo on you?
Yes,
Sponsored you?
Kenzo, alam mo.
Alam na. Bigyan Hala, ang aking anak dito ay palaging tumatawag. Hinahanap niya ang Yes. Go Archie. Si Archie. That's
Yeah,
right.
And this is just a bathroom.
So, dito yung ensuite nila.
Yeah,
Ayan.
bathroom. So we got.
Guys,
Here.
is that all the lighting?
Yeah, look.
Hi, nice kayo ang mga kuan nyo dito, oh. always perfect for kuan ba OOTD. Like every corner, like you can have a look at that. Bongga. Basta tabi. Oh, di ba? Bongga talaga. Be? What's in here? Ang aking anak ay nagmami-mami na. Yes, anak. Hi. Hi. Coming. Walang ano? Sira siya?
Yeah.
No lights there? Ay, kaya madilim dito. But guys, ito pala talaga yung ano niya dito, Tino. Sa lahat ng mga handles, ganyan yung mga hawakan niya.
Small perfumes and toiletries.
Oh, it's so dark. Can't see.
You can't see.
Ah, na, can see na. Ayan. Bongga talaga. Very organized. B, alam na natin ang hand towel is Kenzo na naman. Huy, natakot na si Kenzo sa iyo. Tingnan nyo dito guys, oh. Tingnan nyo yung bathtub nila. Hello. Another rose gold. Pangsangla. Ayan. Do you use this one?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. Have a look guys. Oh, pang hotel kayo mo. And then, do you want to see that? And then they've got, everything is rose gold. This one's rose gold. And this is their shower guys. Yun. Again, lahat ng mga hardwares. Hardwares parang bag lang. Hardwares rose gold.
Pulling your hardware.
Ayan. Paris is here. Sige, saba-saba. Ayan. Diba guys? Na-enjoy nyo ba guys ang ating tour?
Hi. Hi, Archie.
Eat Archie.
No! It's so Asian. You can't eat Archie. You wanna eat Archie? You wanna eat the cat?
Eat the chip.
You want a chip?
Come.
What do you want?
So, ayan na nga guys. Natapos na ang ating apartment tour. So, nagustuhan nyo ba guys? Thank you, T. Thank you for being my guest today.
Anything with content's life.
Yes, content is life. So, originally, pumunta ako dito guys kasi hindi nga kami nakapag-celebrate ng birthday niya
Yes.
last week.
Bongga ha?
And then,
Isa lang yung one-on-one lang yung party.
yes, I know. Very special. VIP talaga. But yeah, guys, it's very nice here. Nakita nyo naman yung view dito sa kanila. And it's very organized. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, guys, baka pwede niyang i-organize yung bahay namin. Kasi nakita nyo naman yung bahay namin, guys. It's very makalat. And it seems like there's a tornado inside. Yeah, sure. But you got cats, so you didn't show the cats, Steve.
Oh, cat is hiding.
Yeah, they've got 2 cats actually. So, ayan. But thank you for showing us your lovely
It's
home.
a pleasure.
Yeah,
It's a pleasure.
so
Hope
beautiful.
you.
I think everyone will agree with me. Your home is just amazing.
Thank you. Wow.
Very modest.
Thank you. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, but yeah, thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung apartment tour natin. Unfortunately, hindi pa ako nakagawa ng house tour natin kasi nga, yung bahay is, kailangan ko pa ng tulong niya para malinisan ang aming bahay kasi yung bahay namin is,
Pagkatapos ng habagat.
yeah, para pagkatapos ng kunos, ayun yung nangyayari. Did you get that, anak?
Kitty.
Kitty?
Kita.
Dili lang mo acting?
Apple.
Open. Open?
Yeah.
Open?
Apple.
Open. Smell.
Smell good. But yeah guys, that's about it for today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up ha pag mag-watch ka. Thumbs up if you like it. Yeah, don't skip ads.
May tapo dito, alam mo na, baka naman, YouTube.
YouTube! Kailangan namin ng revenue.
Yes.
But yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it and hit the
Wait, should I
subscribe.
open my YouTube channel? No.
You should!
No.
You should. I told you, we'll do
I'm
collaboration
scared.
all the time.
Yeah, I'll think about it.
Yeah, do it.
We'll see.
Do it.
Pag maraming likes, then I'll open the YouTube channel.
Yes, that's right. If
Pag mas maraming likes, depends sa yung revenue, then...
yeah. Open siya ng ano niya guys. Yeah.
So don't skip ads kasi dito yung mabe-base if I wanna open my YouTube channel or not. So
Yes.
don't skip ads.
Yeah. Tingnan natin guys. Tingnan natin kung like niyo to guys, let me know and para makagawa na din siya ng YouTube channel niya.
Oh God, scary.
It's not scary. It's
Yeah.
fun. I love it. I love doing it.
I just need push. I don't know. think I kind of want to, but I'm kind of just scared to do it. But I need to rewatch your ano.
I'm here. I can guide
No,
you.
like,
If you want to create a channel, like, don't wait for tomorrow. What you can do for today.
again, we're gonna put the link.
Please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't,
Be careful. I'm like, what am I gonna say?
at least like I know that he's watching my
Yeah,
videos.
yes.
Guys. Like,
You're gonna have to.
bye guys. Mwah.